I've worked in the ski industry for 30 years, and what really stands out about Deer Valley is the people. I really love the team that I work with. From the moment I started working at Deer Valley, I was taught attention to detail and safety in everything that I do. My friends, family, my wife, and all of our guests are here on this mountain, and I just want it to be special and safe for everyone. The work that we do here is satisfying because of the constant challenge, but also because we're in the great outdoors. It's absolutely beautiful. We get to ski, we're in the mountains. I got the best office in town. I love working here. It's a constant challenge. I'm always learning new things, and it's fun. There's a lot of variety in this job, and that includes welding, non-destructive testing, heavy equipment operations, and electricians. When I go home at night, I feel good. I feel that I'm part of something bigger. I've made a difference today, and that means a lot to me.